This video is for the unboxing of my memory card reader. Basically, the memory card reader allows a person to transfer SD card to the computer or data that's on the computer to the SD card. I needed it because I needed a way, I needed a way to transfer videos from my computer to my SD card so that I could load them on a different device. So I purchased this memory card reader for that purpose, and this is the unboxing of that memory card reader. So let's continue with the unboxing. And voila, this is the memory card reader here, and I try to, do a video on, the actual using the memory card reader. So as you can see, I think you can see, there's a slot for a MicroSD card, and a normal SD card. So this guy gives you the option of, inserting a microSD card if you only have a microSD card, or a regular SD card if you only have a regular SD card. And it has a USB connection that goes to your computer. So this cap here has a USB connection under it. And this is how you will transfer data to your PC, from your PC to the SD card. Okay. So as I mentioned, you have the micro SD card slot and the SD card slot. And you have a USB connector that goes to your PC. So this is how you will transfer files from pretty much any device that has a USB connection, but for my example, it would be a PC. So my current motivation for doing this is I want to transfer a video from the PC to my SD card that I have in my Moto X cell phone. I'll make a future video on how to put SIM cards. It'll be the same thing for SD cards, but put SIM cards in a Moto X cell phone. But right now I have a SD card inside of here. I'm going to take this SD card out and put it in the memory card reader, and then I'm going to transfer a file or a video that I created on my PC onto the SD card, so that I can put that video or put that SD card back in my Moto X phone, so that I can show the video to like family and friends without having to lug my PC around. I create the video on the PC, but I need to get it off the PC, and my PC doesn't have an SD card slot, so that's why I got this guy, so that I can put it on an SD card. If you don't mind, could you smash that subscribe button and smash that like button? Thank you. When I make that future video, I'll put a link in the description down below. So I've removed the SD card from the Moto X phone. It was a micro SD card, but I put it in this normal size SD card, a sleeve or adapter. So I'm going to slide the adapter into the memory card reader. And you have to slide the adapter into the memory card reader face up. So that means the writing, the side with the writing on it. So I'm going to slide this guy in there. Excuse me. So I just slid the memory card into the adapter, and now I'm going to put this USB port into my PC. So again, you have to slide it in face up. This was a MicroSD card. I just put in an adapter. Could have slid into the MicroSD card slot, but I just put in the adapter. And it's face up, so you can see the writing on the adapter. So that means it's face up. And I slid it into the memory card reader. I'm going to slide the card reader into the USB slot on my PC. So as you heard, my PC automatically recognizes that input. And on my PC, it comes up as USB S drive. USB drive F. So I'm just going to create a directory on the SD card from my PC, and I called it from PC. So this is the folder that I'm going to use to put videos from my PC onto the SD card. So this is a file from my PC. This directory is called example for videos, and I'm just going to click on the video, right click, and copy the video. So then I'm going to go to my memory card adapter, which is this directory here. Now, like I said, I called the folder on my memory card from PC. So right now it's empty. The folder is empty. So I'm just going to right click and say paste. And as you can see, I don't know if you remember the name, but the file clause ddmss.com _10 was the name of the file that was on my PC. And as you can see, this is the it was empty, but now it has the file that was on the PC into the memory card reader. This is the directory of the memory card reader, if you can remember. It's USB drive F, and then like I said, I created a folder called FP from PC. And as you can see, this is the USB input where the memory card reader is. This is this guy here. This is this guy here. So now I can put this I can take the micro SD card out of the adapter and slide the micro SD card back into my cell phone, and that video will be on my cell phone. Like I said, the purpose of me purchasing this memory card reader was so that I can make videos on my PC and put them on my cell phone, through the micro SD card, so that I can show family and friends the video, and I won't have to lug my computer around, my laptop around to to show people the video I created. I don't want to lug this big laptop around. Prefer to just have it in my cell phone. If you wouldn't mind, could you please hit the subscribe button, the like button. It helps with the algorithm. Okay, I want to caution you do not remove the SD card or the MicroSD card from the memory card reader until you've pulled the memory card reader out of your SD slot from your PC or ejected it from the SD card on your PC. So I'm going to pull this out. And like I said, leave the SD card in there. You know, pull it out, pull the USB out of your PC before you take the SD card. Okay, lastly, I'm just going to pull the SD card out of the memory card holder. So I just pulled it out, and now I'm going to take the MicroSD card out of the adapter and put it back into my cell phone so I can have the video on there. I'll make a video on how to put SIM cards into the cell phone in the future, and it's just the same process of putting the SD card in there, and I'll put a link to that video in the description once I have it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So this is the MicroSD card that I'm going to put back into the cell phone, and then I can watch the videos on the cell phone. Thanks for watching.